we are seeing, although it's a very successful extreme suppression policy is very successful to contain the virus, the cost of it is a sharp decline of economic activity, whether you look at the soft PMIs or the hard data of retail sales investment in February. It fell unprecedented in double digits. Now we are seeing an improvement from February in March, and that's what we're talking about here is the gradual normalization. But the issue here is the normalization is very, very gradual. And there is an overhang from this suppression policy, and the biggest pain for this is really the SMEs. They're going to have difficulties, particularly those in the service sector, where income loss is forever a loss, irrecoverable. But even in manufacturing, where you can store the products, and after a sharp supply shock, you can now start gradually opening up your factories. What people are finding out is that the orders are being canceled and there aren't many new orders beyond April. And that's a huge problem because as China is able to normalize very gradually, it's finding out that the rest of the world is under some sort of a lockdown, either semi or self imposed, as in the case of Hong Kong. What that means is that major economies from the US to Europe to Japan to Vietnam to Thailand to India, demand across the board has declined quite substantially. And if we use the indicator of China in February, then we can see that it's going to come back via external demand. In other words, we're likely to see the worst over in Q1. But second quarter is not looking too bright. And even if we have an optimistic second half, it is going to be a very gradual normalization. And we'll see that in the
Mm,
hard data in the coming weeks. By the end of next week, we have China
right.
GDP, which consensus forecasts contraction. And although the contraction will likely lessen over time, we're still experiencing significant weakness.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.